Hi, it's Kathy from Flourish Gifts. Welcome. Today we're making Calendula honey oat cold processed soap. Now I've already pre-mixed my lye water and oils in separate containers. This includes my homemade Calendula infusion. So our first step is to add the lye water to the oils. Always remember to wear gloves and something to protect your clothes. We now mix the lye water and oils with a stick blender. Blend until you no longer see oil streaks in the batter. I now add the melted shea butter once I've reached light trace. I like to do this as it allows the soap to retain many of the wonderful properties of the shea butter. I mix my essential oils with 1 tablespoon of kaolin clay. This helps the fragrance stick. Today I'm using lavender essential oil. Next I blend through 1 tablespoon of ground oats. As the oats were clumping together, I decided to stick blend so that they were evenly incorporated. Finally, I add my honey component. I've mixed 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of water. I used some bubble wrap cut to size as decoration for 1/2 of the top. This is removed 24 hours later and creates a wonderful honeycomb effect. And the final touch is to add some dried calendula petals and some whole rolled oats. Just one word of warning, due to the sugar in the honey, the soap gets quite hot in the mould, so it can crack, so be prepared to move your soap into the fridge if it starts getting too hot. Now it's time to leave the soap 24 hours, then you can remove it from the mould and cut it.